Welcome back to Vinex IAS Academy. Today we are going to learn how to find square of a number using Vedic mathematics. I will give you basic examples. Suppose if you want to find the square, suppose you want to find the square of a 23. Now we all know that a plus b whole square is given by a square plus 2ab plus b square. The same concept can be used in Vedic mathematics to find the square of a number. Suppose you have digits AB and you want to find the square. We will divide this in three parts. One is b square, another is 2ab, next a square. Same if suppose 23 square is there. First what we take? 3 square, 2 into 2 into 3 and 2 square. Now 3 square will give you 9. 2 into 2 into 3 will give you 12. So 2 square will be 4. But here each column should have one digit. So here you will take 9, this will take 1, 2 and this 1 will be carried out. So 4 plus 1 will give you 5. So our final answer will be 529.